Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Tech Bro, and in this video I will discuss about the camera of Redmi Note 7 Pro. Day before yesterday I purchased this mobile. I will share with you some picture, videos, 4K videos, 1080p videos, and I got some bugs while doing camera with my new mobile. I'll share with you all the bugs, and also I'll share some videos with EIS, without EIS, 4K video, and also we'll compare the picture quality of this new mobile. So let's get started. This is the Redmi Note 7 Pro, which has 48 megapixel Sony IMX586 lens. Let's go to the camera part. Here, as you can see, I captured a flower and the quality is excellent. If I zoom in, you can see the edges are very clear and background also blurred properly. In the next picture, I captured a white flower, which is looking pretty good, and if I zoom in, then you can see the background blurred properly and also the edges are clear. In the next picture, as I captured my selfie, in the left hand side it's normal mode, and in the right hand side you can see I used portrait mode. Both the pictures having good quality, but I didn't like the edges. That camera cannot recognize the edges properly. Maybe Redmi will fix in the next update. Let's go to video part. At the first time I'll show you one 4K video and then Full HD video. You can see here it is 4K video. I don't think so in 4K mode you will get EIS. Quality is good. And in Full HD mode I like the EIS facility, which is pretty good. Now let's go to slow motion mode. You can see in the left hand side normal mode we captured one video, and in right hand side we captured one slow motion video. As you can see now, that paper rounding and falling down slowly. And finally I would like to show you some issues, bugs I got during capturing some photos or video. As you can see, it's normal camera. It's I think 12 megapixel. If I capture, and if I go to 48 megapixel camera and if I capture, you can see it's still processing. It will take much time to process, and still it is processing. Still it is processing, as you can see. Wow, it's taking lot of time to process that one picture. Still it is processing and continuously processing. It may not happen always, but most of the time it happens. It's stucking in mid between while processing. Okay, by this time if I close the camera, if I go to recent app and if I close the camera, then you cannot open camera now. See, it will say camera error. This is the error I am getting while doing. I thought I will shoot my video with this mobile, but I changed my mind because I tried too many times, and most of the times they are saying like camera error. Now you cannot use camera until you restart your device. So this is pakka error, and I am going to return this this mobile. I already requested for replace with the same smartphone. If I get same device, then no need to buy. Don't buy this smartphone. And if it is solved in another smartphone, or this issue is not there in another smartphone, then maybe this is particular issue of this particular smartphone. So as of now, bye, take care, and see you in next video.